Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Backup for EC2 and EBS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate AWS Backup for EC2 and EBS, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the console, navigate to the AWS Backup service. On the AWS Backup dashboard, click on Get Started. Select Backup Plans from the options presented. Click on Create Backup Plan. Choose Define a backup plan or select an existing plan if you wish to modify one. If you are creating a new plan, provide a name for it that reflects its purpose. Select the backup rule frequency according to your requirements. You can choose to run backups daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule. Set the backup retention period to determine how long your backups will be stored. Next, scroll down to the Resources section. Click on Add Resource. Select the resource type as EC2. You can add specific instances or use tags to include multiple instances at once. If you also want to backup EBS volumes, make sure to include them in the same resource section. Once you've added your instances and volumes, click Create Plan to save your backup plan. Your new backup plan will now appear on the AWS Backup dashboard. To run your first backup, go to the Protected Resources tab. Click on Create On-Demand Backup. Select the resource you want to backup. Choose the backup vault where you want to store the backup. After that, review your settings and click Backup Now. Your backup job will start, and you can monitor its progress. Once completed, the backup will be available for restoration as needed. You have now successfully activated AWS Backup for your EC2 and EBS resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.